Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi and thank you so much guys for subscribing. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, thank you for your support, and if you are new here, welcome and please consider subscribing. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install this passion twist. I made them in my previous video using kanekalon fiber. I'm going to link the video in the description just in case you haven't seen it. So guys, watch till the end and yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to do the individual method. I'm not going to do the cornrow method, so I'm going to do individual on my entire head. So these are the passion twists that I was talking about. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to section my hair from ear to ear. Right there I'm using my needle, the back of my needle, the part where you put your thread. That's what I'm using to make sure that my lines are straight. Yeah, make sure you don't use the front, you might hurt yourself. So I'm just going to section the front into two, then we are going to move on to the back. I'm going to open a line right there, and then I'm going to section it into 4 boxes. So at the back I had a total of 5 lines and 27 boxes. I'm going to be using Iso Plus holding gel to slick down my hair. Then I'm going to take my rubber band and tie the hair into a small ponytail. By doing this rubber band method, you won't have to worry about your braids being loose at the beginning. So it's already tight and you just have to braid. You won't have to worry about it being loose. So guys, if you have someone who can help you to open the sections at the back, ask them. This is really tiring. I can tell you, opening the sections at the back is really painful. It's tiring, and it took me a while to do that. At the front it didn't take much time, and at the back opening the sections took a lot of time, but the twist didn't take time. So if you have someone who can help you to do the sections at the back, you can ask them, but if you don't, well, you just have to feel the pain. Yeah. On my second section I had 5, so I was increasing the number of boxes as I worked my way up, and as I reached the top I reduced it. So in total at the back I had 27, and this is how the back looks like. So let's move on to the front. So at the front I'm going to open a line and I'm going to section that line into 2 boxes, and the total boxes I had at the front was 44. So I'm just going to apply my gel right there and then open the 2 boxes, yeah, like that. Then I'm going to tie a small ponytail with my rubber band, then I'm going to tag it to make it tighter. So guys, if you are using this Iso Plus gel, you don't have to worry about the rubber band breaking your hair, because this gel is really oily, so it won't break your hair. So guys, I'm just going to continue doing my sections, applying my gel, tying with a rubber band, then tagging the hair until I finish the entire sections that I want to do. This is how my boxes looks like. This is how they came out. So I'm going to take my passion twist and I'm going to open it into two. If you want to do it like you did crochet cornrows and you want to do the crochet method, you can just crochet it like that, but I want to do the singles, so I have to open it into two. Then I'm going to take my crochet, then I'm going to place it on my hair, then I'm going to put my passion twist on my latch, and then I'm going to close the hook, then I'm going to pull one side out, then I'm going to start twisting. So this is the method that I'm going to use at the front, and I'm going to show you another method I'm going to use at the back. Put your hair on one side, or you can section it into two, then you can start twisting until you finish the ends. And if you have natural false hair like me, make sure when you're twisting the part where there is hair, you have to twist it tightly so that it will blend in well, because it's really hard to blend false hair with this type of braids. So you have to twist it really tightly and slowly until you finish the part where there is hair. Then you can twist fast until you finish the ends. And this is how my first twist look like. So I'm going to do another one. I'm going to show you another one. Just place your crochet, pass your passion twist through, then pull one side, then apply gel to your hair, and then start twisting. Yeah. So at the back, guys, I'm not using the crochet. I'm just going to place my passion twist on top of my hair, then I'm going to start braiding about an inch, then I will start twisting like that. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. If you want to use the crochet method again at the back, you can, but I prefer using the braiding method than the crochet. So just crochet your hair like that, then pull one side, apply gel like what we did at the first, then you are going to section your hair into two, then start twisting. So I'm going to do the braiding method again here at the front. I'm not going to do the crochet. Well, some of the rubber bands were breaking, so I discovered that I should do the braiding method. So if your rubber bands are not holding too much, you can do this other than the crochet. And it was late at night, so I couldn't go and buy the stronger rubber band that I have. They were not enough, so I had to use the other ones, and they were not strong. So on the rubber bands that were not strong, I decided to use the braiding method. On the rubber bands that were strong, I used the crochet method. So guys, I'm done braiding, and I'm going to be using Go To Big Glue gel to do my edges. It holds like really nicely, other than the other gel that I used to lay my hair. It doesn't last, so I have to use this Go To Be Glued. And if you want to remove it, you can just put water. And this is the final result. I added some accessories to give it some shine, you know. And this is how you install the passion twist. Yeah, So what I like about the individual is you can style them anyhow you want, rather than the crocheted ones where you do cornrows. You have limited style, but this one you can style anyhow you want to style them. Yeah, it's hard to do them, but you can do anything, you can do any style when you are done. And guys, if you have any questions, any suggestions, any requests, please do say in the comment section down below. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, thank you for your support. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.